So, like, something came in the mail today. These nuts did. No, seriously though, my Graze box finally came in. Yes! 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 I'm not gonna throw it down. But I've been waiting for this Graze box for like 2 weeks now, and it barely came today, so I'm so excited to film this video so I can eat some snacks. Cause I'm starving. Snacks. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about Graze box. It won't open. Oh no. This is so cute. It says turn me over before you open or you'll make a mess. That's so cute. This box has been hand-picked for you in the Graze kitchen. Enjoy. This box is made using wood from a sustainable forest and is 100% recyclable. Find out more about our packaging at grazebox.com/packaging. Okay. So when you first open the box, hey look, it's limes. Limes, and it says Graze at the top. It's really cool. Ooh, look at these snacks. Okay, it comes with a little sheet, and how rude. My camera just randomly stopped recording. But back to where we were. I don't know where I was. Click these. Okay. So part of the fun of Graze box, okay, whatever. Anyway, when I was on the website, I'm sorry, I'm fixing my camera. When I was on the website, there's 4 different options. They have all the snacks listed, and then there's 4 buttons down below underneath each snack. And one is trash, so if you know that you're not going to like that snack, you can trash it. Try, like, and love. So, apparently you can choose exactly what goes in your box. I didn't really choose. I kind of just went through the ones that I knew I absolutely wasn't going to like. So yeah, $1 goes in your account every time you make a referral, but by your 3rd referral you get a free box. Hey, look at these coupons. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The first snack that I see are their flapjacks. I heard their flapjacks are actually really, really, really good. These are the summerberry flapjacks. Rustic rolled oat flapjacks with berry infused cranberries. Ooh. So let's try these. I was gonna like save these and throw these in my purse every time I was hungry, but I guess I'll try them for the purpose of this video. But I'm totally gonna... Hey, I got nuts! I'm totally gonna pack these later. These flapjacks smell good. Okay. Time for the test. This is what it looks like. But yeah. This is good. I like that. The next thing that catches my attention are, so these are new to Graze. They're the punchy protein nuts. And there are 6 grams of protein in them, which is good. I actually know a lot about nutrition, and I'm going to start making videos where I'm actually talking about nutrition. I plan on making a video, the top 10 tips that I have to starting to live a healthy life. But yeah, these are chili, lime, cashews, pistachios, and almonds. Yum, can't go wrong. with that. Let's try cashew. Look at all that chili on that cashew. Yeah. There's definitely some lime in there. I wish there was more chili though. Yeah, that's some good stuff right there. Wash my palette with some water. I wanted tea, but Okay, next thing we have is the Garden of England. Mini strawberry soft apple pieces and black currants. These are only 70 calories. Hey! How much sugar? Oh no! The only sucky thing about this is there are 16 grams of sugar alone in this thing right here. And I'm not one to pay attention to sugar, but again, like I said, I will be making a nutrition video soon. I'm not one to pay attention to sugar, but for those who do pay attention to sugar, the only thing I would say is that 2 of the snacks in my box have 16 grams. Make a separate video. But let's open these snacks up. I'm gonna try an apple. I don't like this. Yeah, I don't like this at all. The strawberry is kind of good, and then these are blueberries, I think. I don't really like this, yeah. Garden of England. Not my top 5. The next snack that I got is Herbie bread basket. It's a herby bread basket. It's basil, I don't know how to say that word, but basically those hard bread things, garlic, croutons, and oregano rice crackers. Rice cracker. A dramatic look, you know, but yeah.